So this is task 2 flyer, the last part of our Christmas assignment. Design a one-page flyer for a charity event in your college or community using a template from Word. Waffle icon, top left-hand side, Word, more templates, explore all templates. Okay, so you're going to be in your assignment, Christmas assignment folder. So go to the waffle icon, press Control on your keyboard, and look what happens when you press Control on your keyboard at the same time and you click Word. It opens a new tab at the same time. That leaves this open, otherwise it might disappear on you, so try to remember to do that. So in Word, more templates, scroll to the bottom, explore all templates. Now this opens up another tab, see that up here? We're going to just have a search for the flyer. Remember when we looked at templates before, when we were looking for a CV, there were ones that you buy, which we don't want to do, we just want free ones. So see, the buying ones are little diamondy things in the corner. Let's just use this one, party invitation flyer. That'll do fine. You pick your own. Edit in browser, that's the key thing to do. Okay, now let's read the instructions. Pick a suitable template you can edit in browser. Replace all the text in the flyer. Okay, I'm gonna just call it, save it, your name, your class, task 2 flyer. I'm gonna do that first. My class code, Julianne, Vicky, task 2 flyer. What does it say? Pick a suitable template, replace all the text in the flyer. Include the following bullet list. Okay, copy. Where's my flyer? There it is. Replace all the text. So replace all the text. So I'm going to say, come raise money for a great cause. Okay, and then I'm going to get rid of that. Remember this feature where you can copy text, press Format Painter, and then copy new text, and it changes it to that format. Okay, try again. Copy, format, highlight the thing, format, highlight the thing. It's just a cool thing you can do. Right, so we've got those sentences included. It doesn't say you have to reformat, but it's just me being me. Replace all the text, include that. The flyer must contain your name, save. Okay. Any questions, or come to Julianne Hickey for more information. There you go. That'll do. Full marks. Replace all of the text. Put in my bullet point list I was given. Added my name. Oh, information. Just double check, that's all I have to do. Flyer, template, replace all the text, include the list, contain my name, save as. Use Reader to view your flyers on one page. Okie dokie. View. Reading view. Yep. Back to edit. Insert header footer. Julianne. Okay. File, save as, download as a PDF. Back into my folder, upload, files, Task 2 flyer. Double check what the instructions are. So your assignment folder, Christmas assignment, should have 3 PDF documents in it. It will have Word documents, but you will only be assessed on the PDFs. Your name, task 1, part 1. Let's just double check. My name, just the PDFs now. There, task 1, part 1. Task 1, part 2. Task 2 flyer. Task 1, part 1. Task 1, part 2. Task 2 flyer. End of assignment. Woohoo! Okay. I hope that was okay for you, easy for you. If not, give us a shout and I will help you out. Bye.